I am Anna Marie Tutera, and I'm the Executive Director of the Kansas City Museum. It is incredible to be a part of this type of restoration. The property was completed in 1910, so Corinthian Hall, for example, is a Beaux-Arts style mansion. And to see the restoration of plaster and marble and wood is incredible, and to engage artisans who have such exceptional craft in restoration, and knowing that we've made choices to produce the highest quality restoration is really exciting, and I'm very proud to be a part of that process. I'm also very proud of the vision, which is to really create an environment, a learning environment where people come together and where people are inspired to be more deeply engaged in their neighborhoods and in the Kansas City community. The spirit of the home will really come through in this restoration and be complemented by 21st century museum amenities and features and designs to really make this a fully functioning museum environment.